We sing ABCs? Yeah. E. Yeah. G. A.
B.
C. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. Got your Cars towel? L. M. N. P. Q. R. S. T. U. What's next? W? How do you say W? X. Y. Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
Me.
Yeah. What's your name? Say Jackson. Yeah. Can you tell me what a cow says?
Moo.
Yeah. What does a sheep say?
Wow.
What does a frog say?
Really?
Yeah. Ribbit, ribbit. What does an owl say? What does a monkey say? What does a goat say?
Me.
Yeah. What about a chicken? Cluck, cluck. What about a chick? Chick, chick, chick. What about a pig? Say oink, oink. Yeah. What about a duck? Quack, quack. Yeah. What about a turkey? Gobble, gobble. Say gobble, gobble. Yeah. What other animals do they have on the farm? What other animals do you like? Say, Old MacDonald had a farm. Yeah. And on this farm he had some dogs. Dogs. Yeah, with a woof woof here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. Yeah, is that your favorite song? Yeah. Was it a toot? What? You silly bath tutor. You silly. Who's a handsome boy? Oh, splash mommy. Jackson, tell mommy who's a handsome boy. Who's a handsome boy? Say Jackson. Yeah. Jackson, can you say love you? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Can you wave bye-bye to mom? Wave bye-bye to Mama. Say bye-bye.